All right, weather webcast time. Big storm coming in this weekend. 48 hours, really, and if you're watching this Saturday morning, disregard these warnings because they're almost certainly to be upgraded. In central Newfoundland, this will likely be winter storm watches, warnings, winter storm warning already in effect as of Friday night, St. John's, the Avalon, and across the south coast. All right, there is the storm, again, rolling up the eastern seaboard. It is a monster, and lots of snow ahead. And lots of warm air surging up ahead of the system as well, which will be pushing into eastern parts of Newfoundland. Watch as it spreads in across the island through the day on Saturday, getting into the action here in the metro region around noon. Heavy snow accumulating into the afternoon hours, especially late afternoon, early evening. And then we change to ice pellets, freezing rain before morning, and then finally to rain by Sunday morning. Central Newfoundland, this is going to be all snow, Terra Nova, Gander, and west, and this is going to be likely the bullseye right through here. The west coast into the snow and wind by the time we get to Saturday afternoon, but really ramping up for you folks as we work into the late parts of Saturday night in through Sunday morning. Snowfall totals, forecast models flirting with that 15 to 20 centimeter idea. This is the 12Z GEM regional model. You can see depicting around 15 centimeters for St. John's. The latest run just in, up closer to 20 centimeters, I think 15 to 20 of snow. And then that change to ice pellets, that's going to be, I think, a significant period of that as well. So another 5 centimeters of ice pellets mixed with snow. And then, again, some freezing rain also a factor there before that change to rain on Sunday morning. Everyone in eastern Newfoundland is going to have to keep a heads up for that. Things could be slippery very early on Sunday morning. Picking things up now Sunday morning. The warm air has surged into the Avalon. We're up above zero. We're looking at showers. The snow, the wind continue in through central and western Newfoundland, especially in central. And then that warm air kind of starts to kick out. Temperatures fall a bit into the afternoon. We start to mix with some flurries, drizzle, but the snow and the wind continue for central Newfoundland. The snowfall accumulating through Sunday afternoon, through Sunday night. The wind staying gusty. The snowfall accumulating right through into Monday, and still looking at some accumulation possible, and temperatures falling back down along the northeast coast. And that's flurry action changes to some snow and blowing snow through Monday morning, and then an area of high pressure comes in and clears us out Monday afternoon. Watch these winds picking up through Saturday, really gusting by the time we get to Saturday late afternoon, early evening, especially along the northeast coast here through Metro and along the south coast. Really picking up in central Newfoundland overnight in through Sunday morning. You can see winds ease off here as the center of the low comes over close to eastern Newfoundland. So I think our winds won't be terribly gusty on Sunday here in the east, but they will certainly be gusty in central and along the northern peninsula and the south coast. And then look at that wind really kick back in. Saturday night in through Sunday, boy, the winds really pick up again in through St. John's, the Avalon. A dirty drive to work, I think, Monday morning with snow and blowing snow. So again, totals by Monday morning in that 15 to 25 centimeter range. The snow to ice pellets mixing in there. Depending on how quickly we change to ice pellets will really make the difference on whether we're closer to 15 or closer to 25. You can see the big bullseye here. I know that's a widespread 20 to 40 centimeter, but we're talking about snowfall Sunday into even Sunday night, so that's still a ways away. I think if there is a potential for 30 to 40, it's likely right through here. Gander, Grand Falls, Windsor out towards the Bonavista region, and even along the south coast here. Can't rule it out completely. Snowfall amounts will be a little less on the west coast, of course, with that wind going over the long-range mountains, and can't stress enough. Things are going to change with this thing, big 48-hour event. The live blog, there's the address up at the top of the screen, cbc.ca/Ryan Snodden. We'll be updating you through the weekend. Be safe out there. We'll talk to you.